When we talk to mommy, when we talk to dad, we use our soft, soft voices that makes them feel so glad. Oh, soft voice, slow and kind and sweet. Hey, soft voice, talking nice is neat. In the classroom, in the park, in the morning after dark, we don't shout, we don't scream. Soft voices are the dream. Soft voice, slow and kind and sweet. Hey, soft voice, talking nice is neat. When I'm happy, when I'm mad, when I'm good or feeling sad, I take a breath and use my tone. My soft voice says it all alone. Soft voice, slow and kind and sweet. Hey, soft voice, talking nice is neat. Soft voices help us share. Soft voices show we care. Talk so sweet, calm and slow. That's the way our words should go. Hey! Soft voice, talking nice is neat.